Um, hey guys, this is Monday, and I am at the office. It's almost 10 p.m. and I'm just recording this because what I feel is recording content and posting it every day is so easy than doing a job, doing a 9 to 5, which you really don't like. And in my office, I feel that almost 90% of people are not doing the jobs willingly. They are just doing it because they need money. That is the only reason that almost in the world, I would say, almost 60-70% people are just doing the jobs because they want money. They need to pay their bills. It's not their passion, it's not something that they appreciate, but instead they do not take even action on the things that they like. So that's the most important thing, that the people and the employees should understand that what they feel is comfortable is actually not comfortable. The jobs are making us comfortable, which is not good for us for a long run. And especially if you are doing some job which is like very irrelevant to the field that you have been working on. And I see there's a lot of crowd actually here at my office, and it feels like everyone is doing this unwillingly. And I feel that if you are wanting to be outstanding from all of them, then it really takes courage. Even when I'm recording here today, there are almost hundreds of people around me, and still I'm just trying to get good at it. I'm trying to be comfortable walking around and recording content, and this is what I want to do, because I know that this content that I am recording today is gonna make sense to people. It takes really a lot of courage, and I am personally going to the gym from the last 2 years, and I really like going to the gym, I would say, because it kind of makes me feel a supreme feeling, and you won't be able to get this feeling by doing any intoxication or anything which is not good for your health. And doing workout every day kind of makes you feel something which no other thing can. So just go for it, do workout daily, and after doing it for 6 months, you yourself will not stop doing it. And it's a supreme feeling, I am telling you. Definitely, I know that I am talking fast because I am nervous, and gradually I will be good at recording this content creation thing. And I actually have to keep my phone like this, but anyways, my hand started to pain because it's been 3 minutes already that I am recording, and I just have to make sure that I cross these many people who are just standing in front of me. There are almost 12 to 13 people who are still in front of me, and I'm just passing by. And it's a bit hard, I would say, to not give a fuck. It's really hard because a lot of people keep thinking about what they will think, what he or what she will think. Is that making sense? Do they know me? What will happen? Nothing will happen. You're not harming anyone. You're not doing anything wrong to anyone. You're just trying to learn skill, and all by yourself. So just make sure to never hesitate about any situation that you are not doing wrong in. You're not being wrong in. And that's the major concern, I would say, that people have, that what he think, what she think. Bro, just get up and do the fuck you want to do. It's so easy to be great nowadays. That's the quote I've heard from the man David Goggins, and he has really inspired me in the last few years. And I am glad that I was able to record for almost 5 minutes now, and it's a good feeling. Now I will sit for a few minutes, and then I will go upstairs and start taking calls. Thank you all for watching this, and I will post this tomorrow, and I will see you all tomorrow, and I will record again tomorrow. And yes, this is all I wanted to share. See you now, and I am sure that I am getting good at it. I'm getting good at not giving a fuck. Bye.